Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to make fried rice. So, itong mga ingredients ko, mga tira-tira lang. So, gagawin ko siyang fried rice. So, first we have garlic, onions, and bell peppers. Tricolor siya. May orange, may yellow, and red. And I have beef franks. Dalawang beef franks na chinop ko lang siya into small pieces. And I have some frozen peas, green peas, 2 eggs beaten, day-old rice, liquid seasoning, oil. I'm using olive oil, ground black pepper, and some salt, pink Himalayan salt if I need to. So, let's start cooking. Okay, let's add olive oil. About 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm just eyeballing it. And then, let's add garlic first. Garlic. Then, onions. Now, let's add the beef franks. This is already cooked, so I'm just heating the beef franks. Okay, so now let's put it on the side. Let's add just a little bit of oil. Then pour our eggs. And mix it all together. And then add our rice. This is basmati rice. Now let's add the liquid seasoning. Okay, this is optional, but I love to use basil, dried basil, just a little bit. If you don't want basil and dried oregano, this is oregano. You don't have to add it, but of course, I love it. So I'm putting it in. Ground black pepper. I'm gonna add my mini sweet bell peppers. Nice color. And then, last but not the least, the sweet peas, green peas. Okay, tikman natin. Let's try. Oh yeah. Luto na. Ayan na mga besh, tikman na natin. Hindi na kailangan ng ulam. Ito na yun. Thanks for watching. Until next video. Bye-bye. Keep safe always.